Let me tell you something straight up. Most people are missing this opportunity because they're distracted by the wrong metric. They think they need 100,000 followers. They think they need to be famous. They think they need expensive equipment. That's insecurity talking. That's excuses talking. Right now, we are living in one of the biggest attention shifts in modern history. Platforms are rewarding content, not popularity. And TikTok has built a system where distribution is algorithm-based, not follower-based. That means if your content hits, it hits. Period. TikTok Shop Affiliate is simple. You don't create the product. You don't ship the product. You don't handle customer service. You create content around a product, attach the affiliate link, and if it converts, you earn. That's leverage. Here's where people mess up, they overthink. They study for 3 months. They watch 50 tutorials. They plan logos. They analyze niches. Meanwhile, someone with 300 followers posts 5 simple product videos in 1 week and makes their first sale. Why? Because speed wins. This is a gold rush. And in a gold rush, the people who win are the ones digging, not the ones debating which shovel to buy. You don't need followers. You need relevance. You need clarity. You need to understand one thing. Content that solves a problem sells. Content that entertains sells. Content that demonstrates value sells. If you post a video showing how a kitchen gadget saves 10 minutes a day, that's value. If you show a before and after result, that's value. If you show a real reaction, that's value. And here's the mindset shift. Stop trying to be an influencer. Start trying to be useful. The algorithm doesn't care about your ego. It cares about watch time, retention, engagement. If your first 3 seconds are strong, you win attention. If your content delivers, you win trust. And if you win trust, you win conversions. This opportunity is wide open because most people are still obsessed with vanity metrics. They're chasing followers instead of chasing skill. Your advantage, you can test 10 products in 10 days. You can improve every video. You can learn hooks, angles, storytelling. You can build momentum without ever going viral. And let me say this clearly, 1 video can change your month. But 100 videos will change your life. So stop waiting. Stop comparing. Stop thinking you're late. You're not late. You're early. But only if you execute. This isn't about luck. It's about volume. It's about learning. It's about putting yourself in the game every single day. Because in a gold rush, the ones who hesitate watch the ones who act get rich. And right now, attention is cheap. But it won't stay that way forever. TikTok Shop Affiliate allows you to earn without owning products, and that changes the game completely. For decades, if you wanted to start a business, you needed inventory, storage space, suppliers, shipping systems, customer support, and upfront capital. You had to take financial risk before you even knew if anyone wanted what you were selling. Now, that barrier is gone. With TikTok Shop Affiliate, you are not the manufacturer, you are not the warehouse, and you are not the fulfillment center. You are the bridge between attention and product. This is powerful because attention is accessible to everyone. The platform already has the traffic. Millions of people scroll every single day looking for entertainment, solutions, and discoveries. When you become an affiliate, your role is simple. Find products that already exist inside the marketplace and create content that highlights their value. If someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. You didn't design the product. You didn't package it. You didn't negotiate shipping rates. You simply communicated value effectively. That means your real asset is creativity and execution, not capital. Instead of investing money into inventory, you invest effort into learning hooks, storytelling, product demonstrations, and understanding buyer psychology. You test angles. You experiment with different formats. You improve your ability to hold attention for the first 3 seconds. Every video becomes market research in real time. Another advantage is flexibility. You are not locked into one product. If something doesn't convert, you move on. If a trend shifts, you adapt. Traditional businesses move slowly because inventory ties them down. As an affiliate, you move at the speed of content. You can test multiple categories, beauty, gadgets, home improvement, fitness, without committing long-term. This model also reduces fear. Many people hesitate to start businesses because they fear losing money. Here, the primary investment is time and consistency. The risk is lower, but the upside is still meaningful because commissions can scale with volume. The more effectively you communicate product benefits, the more potential income you create, turning your phone into a performance-based distribution channel where skill directly impacts earnings. You don't need a large following to start making money. And that idea alone breaks one of the biggest myths in social media. For years, people believed income online was reserved for influencers with massive audiences. They assumed you needed tens of thousands of followers before you could earn a single dollar. That was true in older models where reach depended heavily on subscriber count. But platforms like TikTok operate differently. Distribution is driven by content performance, not by popularity. When you post a video, it doesn't only get shown to your followers. It gets tested with small groups of users based on interest and behavior. If those viewers watch longer, engage, or click, the platform pushes it further. This means someone with 50 followers can outperform someone with 50,000 followers if their content connects better. The algorithm rewards relevance and retention, not status. This changes the opportunity completely. Instead of focusing on building a massive audience first, you focus on building skill. Can you create a strong hook in the first 3 seconds? Can you clearly demonstrate the product's benefit? Can you show a transformation or solve a problem in a way that keeps people watching? These elements matter more than how many people follow you. Many small creators have proven this by generating sales with minimal followings. A well-crafted product demonstration, an honest review, or a creative comparison can generate conversions, even if the account is new. Buyers care about clarity and trust, not follower count. If your video answers their question or solves their problem, they are more likely to click and purchase. This also lowers the barrier to entry. You don't need to spend months growing an audience before seeing results. You can start today. You can test content immediately. Every video becomes a chance to learn what works. Instead of obsessing over numbers on your profile, you measure success by performance metrics like watch time, click-through rate, and conversions. The mindset shift is critical. Stop chasing followers and start chasing improvement. Stop worrying about looking established and start focusing on delivering value. In this environment, influence is earned through content quality, not follower quantity, allowing beginners to compete with established creators on a level playing field where execution determines opportunity. Short-form content creates fast testing and fast results because the cycle between idea and feedback has never been shorter. On platforms like TikTok, you can record a video in minutes, post it instantly, and begin receiving data within hours. That speed changes how business works. In traditional models, you might spend weeks developing a campaign, months building a product, and thousands of dollars before knowing whether it would succeed. Now, you can validate ideas with a 20-second clip filmed on your phone. Short form forces clarity. You don't have 5 minutes to explain something. You have seconds to capture attention and deliver value. That constraint is an advantage because it trains you to communicate benefits quickly and directly. If a product solves a problem, show the problem immediately. If it saves time, demonstrate the time saved. If it improves appearance or convenience, make the transformation visible. The format rewards simplicity and impact. The fast feedback loop allows rapid experimentation. You can test different hooks for the same product. You can try a problem solution angle, a testimonial style, a comparison format, or a before and after demonstration. Instead of guessing what works, you observe real metrics, watch time, completion rate, clicks, and conversions. Each video becomes data. Each post sharpens your understanding of audience behavior. This speed also reduces emotional attachment. If one video underperforms, you don't wait months to recover. You adjust the hook. Improve lighting, change the script, and post again. The next attempt is another opportunity. Over time, small improvements compound. 10 videos teach you more than 10 hours of theory. Short-form content also lowers production pressure. You don't need cinematic equipment or elaborate editing. Authenticity often outperforms perfection. Viewers scrolling quickly respond to relatability and clarity more than polish. That means you can focus on substance instead of aesthetics, especially in affiliate marketing where demonstrating product value matters most. Fast testing creates momentum. The more frequently you publish, the more data you gather. The more data you gather, the smarter your next piece of content becomes. Instead of waiting for one perfect viral moment, You build a system of iteration where speed, learning, and execution create consistent opportunities for growth and monetization. Attention is the new currency, not followers, and that distinction changes how you approach opportunity in the digital economy. A follower is just a number attached to a profile. Attention is active. It is measurable in seconds watched, comments written, shares made, and clicks taken. On platforms like TikTok, attention flows dynamically based on interest, not loyalty. People don't open the app to check on you specifically. They open it to be entertained, educated, or inspired. The algorithm then distributes content that earns and holds their focus. If you understand this, you stop obsessing over building a large audience before you act. Instead, you concentrate on earning attention one video at a time. Every post is an independent opportunity to capture interest from strangers who have never seen you before. You are not limited by your follower count because the platform continuously introduces your content to new viewers based on performance signals. Attention is valuable because it can be directed. When someone watches your product demonstration until the end, that is earned trust. When they replay it, comment with a question, or click the affiliate link, that attention turns into action. Followers may or may not see your content in their feed, but strong attention metrics push your video beyond your immediate audience and into broader circulation. This shifts your priorities. Instead of asking, how do I gain more followers? You ask, how do I make the first 3 seconds impossible to ignore? You study hooks. You analyze pacing. You remove unnecessary filler. You focus on clarity and impact. Attention rewards precision. It punishes confusion and delay. Attention is also scarce. Users scroll quickly, and competition is high. That means your content must immediately signal value. Show the outcome first. Highlight the problem. Create curiosity with a bold statement. Demonstrate transformation visually. When you respect the viewer's time and deliver quickly, you increase retention, which signals quality to the platform. In the affiliate model, attention directly influences income. More watch time can mean more visibility. More visibility can mean more clicks. More clicks can mean more commissions. The pathway from attention to revenue is shorter than ever, turning content performance into a measurable asset where the ability to capture and sustain focus determines growth and opportunity. Consistency beats virality, and that mindset is what separates temporary luck from long-term results. Too many people chase the idea of going viral, thinking that one explosive hit will change everything. They wait for the perfect idea, the perfect moment, the perfect script. The problem is virality is unpredictable, it's random, it's fleeting. You can't control it. What you can control is showing up every single day and putting content into the world. On platforms like TikTok, the algorithm favors regular activity. Accounts that post consistently learn from each attempt and adjust and improve faster than those who wait for perfection. Consistency allows you to learn at scale. Each video you produce teaches you something about audience behavior, timing, hooks, and storytelling. Even small improvements compound over time. The person who posts 5 videos a week is learning 50 times faster than someone who posts once a month. And in affiliate marketing, that speed of learning is money. Each post is a micro experiment where you test products, presentation styles, and messaging. Over weeks, months, and years, this builds skill that no one can buy. Posting consistently also builds credibility. Even without a massive following, audiences and platforms recognize reliability. Viewers may not know your name yet, but when they see your content appear regularly, they start to trust your presence. They begin to associate you with useful information, product knowledge, or entertaining content. That trust translates into clicks, conversions, and repeat engagement. Consistency reduces stress and overthinking. Instead of obsessing over one perfect post, you accept that some videos will fail, some will underperform, and that's okay. You move on quickly, learn, iterate, and improve. Virality can create emotional highs and lows, but consistency produces steady growth. Over time, those small gains compound, and you have a sustainable engine rather than a lottery ticket approach. This principle also applies to attention metrics and affiliate sales. One viral video might earn commissions once, but consistent posting creates multiple income streams. You accumulate clicks, conversions, and exposure. Your content library grows. Your ability to influence purchase decisions multiplies. In a landscape where trends shift fast, Consistency ensures that you remain relevant, visible, and adaptable while others wait for luck to strike. Speed of execution matters more than perfection, and that principle is what separates people who watch opportunities slip by from those who capitalize on them. Too often, people get trapped in overthinking. They rehearse scripts, tweak lighting, agonize over editing, and wait for the perfect moment to post. Meanwhile, someone who acts immediately is already testing, learning, and earning. On platforms like TikTok, the first movers consistently have an advantage because trends move fast, attention shifts quickly, and algorithms favor fresh content. Waiting for perfection means missing the window entirely. Execution speed compounds with learning. The faster you post, the faster you receive feedback. Every video is data. Every click, watch time metric, and comment tells you what works and what doesn't. If you post 10 videos in a week, you gather 10 sets of insights. If you wait a month crafting one video, you learn almost nothing. Action is a form of education. Iteration beats theory every single time. The market is your teacher, and speed determines how quickly you graduate. In affiliate marketing, this principle is amplified. Products, trends, and audience interests evolve constantly. A gadget that's hot today may be forgotten in a week. If you execute fast, you ride the wave. If you execute slow, you watch someone else capture the attention and the sales. Speed allows you to experiment with multiple products, multiple hooks, and multiple styles in a compressed time frame, increasing your chances of discovering what converts best. Every day delayed is opportunity lost. Speed also encourages decisiveness and reduces paralysis by analysis. When you focus on execution, you prioritize action over endless planning. You stop obsessing over hypothetical scenarios or perfect scripts. You create, post, observe, and adjust. You develop intuition about what resonates with audiences. That instinct becomes a competitive advantage because the platform rewards responsiveness and momentum. Moreover, speed doesn't mean careless work. It means starting with what you have, learning as you go, and improving with each iteration. You can refine thumbnails, captions, hooks, and angles over time, but only if you have content to optimize. Perfection before posting often leads to procrastination, whereas speed builds content skill and confidence simultaneously. The faster you act, the more iterations you achieve, and the more likely you are to capture trends before they saturate, turning agility into revenue and opportunity into tangible results. TikTok Shop Affiliate is not about luck, fame, or followers. It's about attention, execution, and consistency. The gold rush is real, and the barrier to entry is lower than ever. You don't need a massive audience, you need clarity, creativity, and speed. Every video you post is an opportunity to learn, to iterate, and to earn. Short-form content allows you to test fast, adapt faster, and scale what works. The platform rewards value, relevance, and retention, not vanity metrics. If you focus on providing useful, entertaining, or problem-solving content, attention follows naturally. By showing up every day, improving with each attempt, and acting quickly instead of waiting for perfection, you position yourself ahead of the competition. In this era, action beats planning, consistency beats virality, and attention beats followers, making TikTok Shop Affiliate a real, accessible, and unstoppable path to income for anyone willing to execute.